Good morning, we have Patrick Wiltshire, our garden expert here at Marshall Seeds, and Patrick's going to tell us all about our wonderful organic extra and some of the benefits of using it. Good morning, Patrick.
Morning, Paul. Lovely morning here today. Yeah, today I want to show you organic extra. It's a fantastic thing you can put on your allotment or your vegetable patch. And unlike normal compost, which ends up going quite quickly, this is a super concentrated and natural soil conditioner for your soil and your allotment plants. What I want to do is just show you the texture of this. This is rotted down Farmyard manure, and what it's got in there is some seaweed extract. What that means then is that there's a high nitrate content which your crops are just going to love when you put that into the soil.
What would be the main application then, Patrick? How would I start using it if I've never used it before on my plot?
Well, it depends what time of year you're on your plot, Paul. It's so versatile, it's got a number of different uses at different times of year. In winter, when you're preparing your soil for the season that's following, you want to incorporate that into the soil while you're digging there, and because it's super concentrate, you only need about 2 handfuls for every square yard or square metre. Dig that in, and in the winter that's going to be great for preparation in the spring. In the springtime, once you're starting to plant some of those young plants and seedlings that you've germinated in the greenhouse, that's when you can put that in at about 1 or 2 handfuls again when you're planting each plant separately at the different stations. And what's great is that even with brassicas, you can even apply up to say 3 or 4 handfuls, because those brassicas with the lush leaves, with the succulent leaves that you want to eat, they're going to really like that added nitrogen into the soil.
Patrick, where you've got established crops, such as those in front of the greenhouse, how could you utilise organic extra now at this time of year?
At this time of year, once you've got crops growing and they're looking lush, just like these on the left, looking fantastic in that light, you can use a liquid feed for them. And that liquid feed is easy apply, you water it on, and it really gives them a boost at this time of year. Now what you can do, if you have a water butt or a vat which is filled with water, you can just simply grab a bag like this and puncture holes in the bag, steep it in the water, and then after a couple of days that will have oozed out of the bag into the water. You can remove the bag, and then you have a liquid feed there and then that you can use straight onto those crops. The remaining stuff in the bag can then be put on a compost heap, and because there's so much nitrates in there, it's really going to encourage microorganisms to break down that compost easily and quickly, so you've got it ready there for when you need it.
Wow, so that means you can get multiple use out of one bag. That sounds fantastic.
It's fantastic, and also you can use it with lawns as well. That liquid feed that you've made in that vat or that water butt, you can put in a watering can, sprinkle over the lawn over summer, and you've got a lush lawn as well for summer and autumn. It's brilliant.
So really, organic extra can be used on any type of plot, any type of crop, and it can be used all year round then, Patrick?
Absolutely, and any size of crop too. We have it not only in the bag, we have it at half its volume in this bucket here. Both of them super fertile, super concentrated, which means that you can have this for so long because it's such that concentrated consistency.
Thank you very much, Patrick. Let's get some of that into the plot.
Absolutely.